It is a proud privilege for me to be here today, and let me tell you, I am standing in front of you as a teacher with passion and lot of respect and love for children. Respected marriage members, Sri Vijayasagar Garu, M. Krishna, Narendra, Dr. Narendra, Kalla Ravishankar, and other science school students and friends. I don't call as students actually, you're all my friends actually. And respected Principal Joshi ji, and coordinators, and all my colleagues and guests. I told you that I have passion for teaching because without passion you can't be a good teacher. And I agree that I love my children and I respect my children because I strongly believe this. Students at the school level, they are embodiments of God. We find a lot of divinity in them. And respect because you are the hope of the nation. The country, future of the country depends upon your progress and your growth. For this best example, all my science school students, science school friends, and the people who are sitting, Vijayasagar and other people, because when we were teachers, they were students. Now I see all of them in a different level, at a different level actually. You know. Kalla Ravishankar has become very emotional when he talked about us. But when we see all of you, really that is giving us tremendous satisfaction actually now. Because we have achieved something in life. And when I saw the institute, definitely I feel proud of our Vijayasagar ji and all the committee members. You have created a beautiful infrastructure. Almost like a science school, or slightly, I feel, slightly an edgy than science school. Okay, because of the creativity, because of the layout of the campus. And for children of this school, this visit to the school today is a great experience for me. I could go back to my science school days where I saw all the children in khaki uniform and with flaps of houses. And all of you are singularly lucky because you are under guidance of excellent people from science school, and also you are under the guidance of principal who worked in similar system called Navodaya system. So I feel that your principal and all the teachers are your friends, guides and philosophers. Okay, now with that concept we worked when I worked in science school. And as housemaster, it gave me a tremendous experience as a housemaster. Here I'd like to mention about a small important idea about Swami Vivekananda. Vivekananda said about education. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already existing within. Now this always I used to wonder what is this actually? What is the manifestation? So he gave an example also for this. If you put a small seed in the soil, this seed grows into a small tree, and it further it grows. But what we are doing is, what is being done is, soil, good soil, and water from soil, and also from sun it takes energy, it creates food. But where is the food? Already in the seed, it is there. That shows that every student and every individual, already lot of knowledge is there. But what we are doing in schools as teachers, we are creating an environment for the children to grow. So now that's what we are doing. That what I have seen in Sairi school and what I have seen in this Vivadi school also. Now the management there and here created a beautiful environment, beautiful situations for them, and beautiful experiences are given so that children are growing. Children will grow on their own. That is what is called natural growth. And what we got in what Kalla Ravishankar also told, in Sairi school, the education which you got is education for life. It's not simple education, it's education for life. In Sairi school even this school also, I feel same thing is happening actually. Students are given lot of stimulus in various fields, education, discipline, and you undergo a lot of experiences in the school. Thereby now you gain a lot of experience in the school. That becomes a part of your life. Okay. So what I feel is, in IITs and IIMs, now this type of training is given to the students, this type of experience is given. But a Sairi school and school like this, now this experience is given at the school level actually now. Okay. So that is the importance of schools like this. And I congratulate all the management members of the school for providing such a beautiful environment for children, for them to grow, and sky is the limit for all the children. And especially as I come from Guntur district, I like to congratulate all the Vidyasagar and all the members for providing a wonderful school and wonderful environment for the children of my district, Guntur district. Okay, now that way I feel very much gratified actually now. I can easily understand how difficult it is to build up an institution. Developing an institution is not a small thing. It's a very, very hard task. That way I was also involved in developing a school, Navodaya Vidyalaya in University of Hyderabad campus, but Srinivasa Reddy has seen that. Okay, so I know the difficulties to develop an institution. Now your committee has succeeded in developing a beautiful institution. For this, I would like to thank you. Then I would like to say a few words about to the children. All children, remember that childhood and youth is gift from God. That's a gift from God. So make use of this gift to develop into a beautiful personality, and we expect you to become excellent students, better than our committee members. Okay, so we want you to be entrepreneurs. We want you to come up well in life, and we want to see you. I don't know whether I'll be there at that time or not, but all the students of this school, we want you to be in very high positions actually now. And students, what I would like to say is, have a role model. Okay, now for me, my role model is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, his guru, such guru actually. We always remember, we read his books, we draw a lot of inspiration from them actually. I request all of you to, from library, you take the books of Dr. Kalam or you purchase books and read a lot. Reading is very essential for all the children to grow. And a few ideas I would like to share with my students, because I visited nearly more than 300 schools in India. And I interacted with more than 25,000 students from various states, because I worked in various regions. Hyderabad region, entire south, Pune, entire western region, and Patna, that is Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. And most of the states I visited number of schools. Okay, what I'd like to advise is, all the children should listen carefully. You have respect your parents, elders and teachers. Wherever possible, on any occasion, if any occasion arises, take blessings from your parents, touch their feet and blessings your parents. Because of them you are here. Because of them you are surviving actually. And as a student, you have to focus on your studies, be regular to school, be regular in studies, then only you will be in a position to make up. Have a goal in life, dream big, never get distracted. This applies to the engineering students also who are here. And be responsible in whatever duties you are performing. That responsibility from childhood, you develop the responsibility. Then you become a responsible citizen. Take part in all the activities of the school, co-curricular activities, games and sports, and all activities which are given to you. I heard from your teacher that the school is organizing many activities regularly in developing communication also. So take part with full spirit in all these activities, which will put you in a high pedestal when you grow and when you go for higher studies. And I strongly believe that this school, Vivadi School, under the guidance of one side military trained people, other side educationists, you are getting the best of education in this school. It is up to you to grow, up to you to take advantage of this school, and up to you to develop yourself. And today, being Dr. Radhakrishna's, Sarvepalli Radhakrishna's birthday, we are organizing Teachers' Day. And Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna is one of the greatest philosophers, one of the greatest teachers of the country and also world. Name any university in the world, he visited the university, he gave lectures on philosophy. One small incident I remember, when Radhakrishna was also Vice Chancellor in Andhra University, when he used to give lectures for the philosophy students, other professors also used to go, stand outside, but they can't go inside, but stand outside and listen to him. Now that was the greatness of Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. On this particular day, we remember him fondly, and also we remember Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who is another greatest son of our country. They have contributed a lot for the education and also especially for the development of children. And once again, I take this opportunity to thank all my students. I would like to call them as my students also, and who have chosen and who have asked me to come here and share my experiences with all the children and also with all of them. So I feel really proud to see all my students in a very in a high positions actually. So this gives a lot of satisfaction as a teacher. Okay, so thank you very much.